Watch your step on with weather. The platform is moving at the same speed as your time machine.
Guys.
During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward.
This is Spaceship Earth Control. Welcome aboard. On the magnet furniture, please join Spray and Rob while we input time travel coordinates.
Surprisingly, the answers lie in our past. Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next bright idea, recording our knowledge on cable. There's only one simple problem. When we move, the recorded knowledge stays behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever.
Ilinawis spettacolo.
Quale tipico?
Marchetti, per hoc mandatum adecium rufino, qui concilius legionis Sparsidium Longini Intera.
Io stato in via Aurelia Abruno. Tu in via Amelia Adriano.
Espone, ilinawis spettacolo.
But then we hit a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, thus forever. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. That is about to change. Books make it easier to invent the future on every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation of the Renaissance. By now, we're all communicating from anywhere. That is To send a man to the moon, we have to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first very large, Together we form a super network revealing billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. After 30,000 years of time travel, here we are, truly a global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
Your time machine is rotating backwards when you return to Earth.
In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're off. You won't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots. You can leave your city home ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. Since you like to wing it, your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax and take things as they come. You'll never get bored on the journey because your car's holographic gaming technology keeps you connected with your friends backside your window. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world and into the future. The end, or should I say the beginning, of your future.
And here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place.
Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from the doors and step carefully onto the moving platform.
Welcome back and watch your step.